How we doing, everybody? Welcome back to Val's Valley Corner. I gotta make this one a little bit quick. My GoPro does not like to stay charged, ever. And today we're gonna be opening a special package from Amazon. Well, actually, not just Amazon. Ooh. Thomas Balisong. So, this is my first Thomas Balisong that I have, well, not bought, but received. This is the Baikal. Which I have to open. So this is the Baikal by Thomas Balisong. Whoa, okay. This is cool. Okay, so we got a little sheath. Got a little sheath for the Balisong. Got a couple bushings, a couple washers, a couple screws and pivots. Microfiber cloth, a Thomas Balisong seal of approval. The Baikal, I'm gonna keep that. And oh, whoa, what the hell are you? That's interesting. Is this a magnet? Interesting. All right, moment of truth. Oh, whoa. Okay, I got it in a teal blue color. This here is the Baikal. This looks absolutely amazing. It's literally covered in grease. The blade is covered in grease, so gonna use a napkin to not terribly scratch up the blade. I know I'm using that. Baikal Oz 10. I don't know what that means, but this is the Baikal. So let's try it. Let's flip it. Oh my, what? Okay. Whoa. Oh, dude, there's like there's no play. There's no wiggle. There's no nothing. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, it's very similar to the Sirius. It's very similar to the Sirius. Okay, hold on. Let's flip it a little bit more. It's a lot lighter than the Sirius. It's a lot lighter than the Sirius, but it sounds very similar. I like the fact that the Baikal kind of has like these like little holes, kind of similar to how older Balisongs look. Wow. I really like this. And oh, there's like a almost speed channel inside to make it a little lighter. Okay. Wow. This is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but it's a lot nicer than I initially thought. Ooh, wow. The texturing right here in the sides are phenomenal. And this has this is the coolest trainer blade I've ever seen. Oh gosh, my flow on that is just terrible. But the fans are freaking phenomenal. It doesn't have like a interchangeable weight system, which is cool. So like it's just pure performance. But Thomas Balisong is impressing me right now. The Baikal, wow. Wow. For an aluminum trainer, this is really, really nice. Wow. Okay. Wow. I love it. Rollovers feel good. Fans feel good. Aerials feel amazing. Chaplains also pretty solid. Ricochets. Awesome. I don't know about ladders. Oh, the jimping is really grippy. Wow. Jimping is nice and grippy and also feels really smooth as well. Alright. Ooh, okay, that was not that great. Hold on, let me just try that again. Okay, that was really smooth. Okay, after flipping it for a while, it has not lost any tolerance at all. This is this is really, really well made. Oh my gosh. I just don't know what else to say. This is fantastic. I'm gonna spend my time flipping this one and only this one for a while, see how I like it. I really like the way that this thing feels in the hand. It's very smooth, it's very rounded, it's a great handle feel. The aluminum feels nice and soft while it's still being the harder aluminum, 70-75 aluminum. I believe that's what it is. I think that's what it said. Was 70-75 aluminum? Yeah, 70-75 aluminum and Oz 10. Fine-tuning. Classy vocals. Designed by Thomas Balisong. Dude, this is insane. This is a fantastic Balisong. It sounds so good too. And that blade shape being so cool. Wow. I am impressed. I have a pretty big collection of Balisongs, but nothing has impressed me as well as Thomas. I mean, okay, to be fair, I do own a Tsunami. That thing impresses me. But for this price point, wow. This is amazing. Shut up. I'm making a video. Anyway, that's all I have to say. I just gotta make sure that my camera doesn't die and charge it for a while I, play some video games. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I am going to spend my time with said Balisong. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later.